Minglaba. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today, lucky to meet you. We are so lucky to meet with you here. So today, I would like to contribute to my community for the people. So from my YouTube channel. So if you have cough painful and throat painful, and if you have kind of the fever pain for the neck, so I would like to do healing for you. What you need to do is this is the you need to wear the light dress and then just wear the don't wear the short dress. Okay, if you wear this short pant, just change the clothes. After that, just wear the cover everything and not wear the tight. If you wear the necklace or earring or everything, just remove it. Okay, so today I will do healing for you, my friend. So what you need to do, you can sit on the chair, also you can sit on the chair like this is the chair, right? And you can sit and you can, this is your feet is down like this. Also that's great. So now when you lay down on the bed, it's okay. And when you sit it, this is your feet, sit right, and then you can put your hand here. What you need to do is just open your heart, open your mind, just receive this energy. Okay. Thank you very much. Today I have full energy to do healing to you. I intend the people to over 100 million people to get this healing from my YouTube channel. This is my intention. Okay. So just close your eye, but just only one thing. What you need to do is your 10, right? Your 10 at top of the mouth like this. Okay. And then when you're doing the healing, when you're doing that, you have to be breathe in and breathe out. That's it. Okay. Thank you very much. This is today we start prana healing for the cough pain. Okay, please put the 10 top of your mouth. Okay, thank you very much. So just close your eye. Before you just close your eye, just make the respect to the healing angel, divine God, divine angel. So now I would like to invite to our healing angel, divine God, divine angel. So just pay respect. Right now, I would like to invite to our healing, our Lord, the universe, our healing angel, divine God, divine angel, our prana grandmaster Guru Mili, prana grandmaster Chokusui, Master Stephen Go, and Siaoke Mountain, Ricky grandmaster Dr. Usui, Dr. Harashi, Maranda Gada, Ricky healing angel, Ricky current past future grandmaster, prana current past future grandmaster. So I would like to request for other spiritual being for the over 100 million people, highest spiritual angel. Please, if someone receive this healing, please support us to do healing to healthy, happy, abundant person. I receive all of the abundant energy from the divine God, divine angel. So my friend, I'm just in front of you right now. I'm just doing healing for you. Just breathe in and breathe out. Just slowly breathe in and breathe out. Okay? Just slowly breathe in and breathe out. Okay? Maybe there some of the people they are painful for the fever. Maybe some of the people are painful, they have a kind of the symptom or the season coughing. So now I will do the cleansing your throat area to do healing. Okay, just breathe in and breathe out. Also that I, especially for the throat thymus cleanse, I will do it for to be good energy, okay? Just focus your breathing. Your throat, just focus your throat and just focus your lung. When you breathe the oxygen, just breathe in and breathe out. It will be functioning, going well. Okay. So now just imagine now your coughing food is feeling better. You are amazing. You are great team. So just release your energy and just covering the whole body. Just feel it, receive it, the golden love energy. Okay, my friend, right now I would like to get over 100 million people energy. All of you feel the kind of energy. So what you need to do, just breathe in and breathe out. If you are ready, just drink the little warm water, okay? But just around you, don't open your food, right? So now, if you are now you're feeling better, because I'm doing the distant healing from you. So if you're maybe if you're maybe you can get a little better. After 4 hours, just check it. After 4 hours, if you're not feeling well, just do it again. Okay, thank you very much. So, or if you would like to share any comment after 24 hours or just comment in the YouTube channel. Also the TikTok and Facebook, Instagram, please share this experience. I would love to hear that. If you would like to donate, you can donate me Binance account and also the you can donate me Bangkok Bank International account. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.